Hi, this is me, Mohammed, an Excel and Google Sheets expert. And in this project, I built a fully structured and automated profit and loss dashboard for the client 2026 financial planning. So let's start. The client had multiple revenue streams and departments of their business. So I built a tab for each of them. So here's how I built it, and the structure is very consistent throughout all of these channels departments. And then I just convert all the data in these tabs into a table so the formula becomes more structured. Then I just applied the sum formula for total to all of these tables. And let me show you one more here. As you can see there, and then after this I build as per the client instruction, I build the profit and loss dashboard. And the layout of the dashboard is like that. The first column is like type and the second one is the chart of accounts number, third one is the account description, and the rest of it's all the departments or channels. And at last there is total and the percentage, like for that the how many percentage this chart of account of the total. So, and the formulas in these cells works like that. It just took see up if this is N or Y, then take this chart of account number, match it through this number. As you can see there, the account and the number are all both of them are in one column. So it automatically extracts this number from this complete column and matches it. If it matches, it will show up the value here. Otherwise, we'll skip it. So as you can see there, there are uh, many kind of uh, chart of accounts there in the dashboard, and below there will be a summary tile like total net revenue, gross margin, EBITDA, marketing expenses, contribution margin, etc., etc. And at last there is like a net revenue, net income for all of these. And yep. After making the file completely functional, I and workable, I applied consistent formatting throughout all of these department tabs and overall enhanced the visual appearance of the overall workbook. I also added a README tab to help the client to understand the structure of the workbook and easily use the file without any kind of confusions. The client is really happy with the stuff I did for her, and she appreciated me for all of this. And if you need any kind of similar systems or something customized systems for your business, do let me know. I'm here for you to help you out. Thank you.